The AI magic wand for product managers. Being a product manager in India feels like juggling a million tasks, roadmaps, user feedbacks, stakeholder decks, all while dealing with constant messages and emails. What if I told you generative AI is the magic wand you've been wishing for? From Bangalore startups to Mumbai unicorn, product managers in India are using AI to work smarter, not harder. Let's dive into how you can use Gen AI to save hours, impress your team, and maybe even leave work early for a chai break. Writing PRDs and user stories with AI. Writing product requirement documents is a time sink. Collecting user feedback, dev inputs, and stakeholder notes can take hours. With Gen AI, you're 70% done in minutes. Tool: ChatGPT or Notion AI. How to use: log into chat.openai.com or notion.so. Create a new page and type the prompt. Create a PRD for a feature allowing users to filter product by size, price, and availability in Indian e-commerce app like Meesho. Output: a draft PRD with a problem statement, user stories, acceptance criteria, and KPIs like conversion rate. Tweak it to add your context and you're ready to share with devs. Summarizing user feedback. Reading through 300 reviews from Play Store or Zendesk is a nightmare, but ignoring them risks missing key insights. AI can summarize feedback in seconds. Tool: ChatGPT or Haptik. How to use: log into chat.openai.com or Haptik's dashboard. Paste your user feedback, example from CSV or text, and enter the prompt. Summarize key pain points from these 100 user reviews for a food delivery app like Swiggy. Output: a concise list like slow delivery tracking, payment glitches, or confusing UI. Use this to prioritize your next sprint. Ideation and brainstorming. Stuck on new feature ideas during sprint planning? Gen AI can spark creativity for your Indian user base. Tool: Google Gemini. How to use: visit gemini.google.com. Describe your app's goal and type the prompt. Suggest 5 innovative features for a fitness app targeting Indian working professionals in metro cities. Output: ideas like 10-minute yoga for WFH breaks, regional diets, example South Indian meals, or WhatsApp group challenges. Pick the best ones to pitch in your next roadmap meeting. Creating presentation, pitches, and emails. Stakeholders demanding a desk for tomorrow's meeting. AI can build professional drafts while you sip filter coffee. Tool: Gamma.app or Notion AI. How to use: go to Gamma.app or Notion.so, start a new project and enter the prompt. Create a 10-slide product pitch deck for a productivity tool targeting Gen Z Indian remote workers with UPI examples like UPI integration. Output: a ready-to-edit deck with visuals, value propositions, and talking points. Edit to add your flair and you are boardroom ready. Prioritization and decision making. Struggling to choose the next feature for your app? Gen AI can build decision-making frameworks like RICE. Tool: ChatGPT. How to use: log into chat.openai.com, list your features and type the prompt. Prioritize these 5 features for an Indian EdTech app using a RICE framework based on effort, impact, and risk. Output: a table with RICE scores and insights. Example: prioritizing live doubt solving over gamified quizzes. Use this to justify your roadmap to stakeholders. Caveats plus human touch. Here's the deal: Gen AI is your assistant, not your boss. You need to guide it, review outputs, and add your market expertise, like understanding UPI adoption or festive season user behavior. When used right, AI frees you from repetitive tasks, letting you focus on building products that users love from tier 1 cities to small towns. Product managers, generative AI isn't just about speed. It's about building smarter products for India's diverse users. Try one of these AI tricks this week and you see the magic that happens. Love this? Hit that like button, share it with your product team, and drop a comment which AI tool are you trying first. Subscribe for more tips on building smarter products, and until next time, keep building and stay awesome.